Hey Yumita Rai.
Waalaikumsalam. Yes, this you Sofana.
Yes, right. So glad to meet again. Meet.
Nice to meet you too, Sof.
Now what are you doing, Meet?
I'm Ronsof, cosmetic business.
Oh, how cool do you perhaps know where you started your business?
I started my business in the Semarang area near the intersection of Five Sof. Later, if you have time, just stop by Sof.
I have heard before, aren't you bank employee? Why are you now a cosmetic business?
The reason is so that I can develop my skills. Since I was a child, I really like cosmetics. Now this is a rare opportunity when I already have enough capital. I really want to start this cosmetic business. Besides, being a businessman, I can generate bigger profit to meet family needs.
Since what your It's good to know are you running this cosmetic business with me?
Until now, my partner is only my family, especially my brother Sof.
Since what year did you start this business?
Since 2018, since I left the bank and was determined to start a business.
Oh, it turns out that you haven't seen each other for a long time since graduate from college. We were busy with each other until we lost contact.
Yes, Sophie.
For now, how do you keep this business in demand by consumers?
Always innovating every year so that consumer never get bored of coming to our cosmetic shop.
What are the main duties and other duties of an entrepreneur?
The mind is into plan, carry out and coordinate a business activity independently, while for other tasks, namely carry out the policy goals, objective and procedure set by the company. Overseeing and coordinating business, finance, production, budget, all to be efficient and maximize in the business being run, organize, employ, work and conduct reviews.
How much income a month if you make know?
Not necessarily soft, it all depends on daily sales. Everything will be pre-divided for the salaries of our employees and the sum goes to profit more goods.
Wow, the spirit is great, mate.
And by the way, where do you work now? Now you have become prettier.
I work at PT Anugerah Daya Mid Semarang.
Work so what's up?
Alhamdulillah, I was entrusted with being a financial manager.
It's great to be a manager. How do you become a financial manager so that your boss always like you?
I always found my skill to become a manager who is always responsible of the tasks assigned to me by my boss.
Before before you become a finance manager, you heard that you were a marketing manager, right? So when did you move to this position?
Oh, that takes me. I used to be a marketing manager for 2 years. Then in 2018, I was transferred to this position meet and now I have been a financial manager for almost 3 years.
For the main duties and other duties of the financial manager himself, what is of?
The main task itself, namely the financial manager, will work with other managers and is in charge of planning and forecasting several aspects of the company, including the company financial planning in general, will for other tasks namely making decisions related to investment, making decisions related to expenditures, planning, managing, and controlling the company cash flow, planning, managing, and controlling the development of the company financial system and procedure.
From wow, there must be a lot of salary. How much do you think then their monthly salary is of?
Yes, not bad, around 5 million per month.
Salute! Now we have succeeded with each other. I have to go first off. There is still a lot of work waiting. It's nice to be able to take a lot with you, Saf.
I'm also happy to be able to talk a lot with you later. Okay, bye.
See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.